Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. Former governor of Delta State has been arrested, IfEANYI OKOWA, or if you want to say detained by the EFCC. This is the news of the hour going on right now. I know you want to ask, Madam, what can you do? The matter they plenty. We will let you know in a very short while. They say they don't shake. They call look the guy say things not dey alright. It's supposed to be different. He say, but when they call look the Delta State things, what is the thing be say they go on they won't cripple all PDP governors as much as they can. You get me now? Pepper them so that they will have no say. They have nothing to really, so that they are chickened out, they are gentle, they are quiet, they cannot go ahead, okay? And begin to do one thing or the other, or their mouth go dey sharp. So when you feel say you dey in a very dicey position, you call humble yourself. So EFCC now, the operatives of the Economic and Financial Crime Commission on Monday don arrest the former Delta State Governor IfEANYI OKOWA over alleged diversion of 1.3 trillion. Okay, now be God. This thing, what did they do so correct? 1.3 trillion. Then a one man, 1.3 trillion. And if you go to Delta State, you go vessel. Naturally, you go vessel. You go ask yourself, oil producing still say, now this amount they come every month. You go, you see, vestation go cash you. You go vessel. You go vest. Honestly, you go vest. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like or share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Breaking news, EFCC arrest detain former Delta State Governor IfEANYI OKOWA over 1.3 trillion funds diversion. The Economic and Financial Crime Commission, EFCC, has reportedly arrested the immediate past governor of Delta State, Senator IfEANYI OKOWA. It doesn't still be Senator. God go help us for this country. According to the will, OKOWA was taken into custody in Port Harcourt, Rivers State Zonal Office over alleged misappropriation, embezzlement of billions, not be billions, not trillions of naira belonging to Delta State during his tenure as the governor. EFCC is yet to officially confirm the arrest of the former governor who presided over Delta State from May 2015 to May 2019. And we recall that OKOWA was the vice presidential candidate of the People Democratic Party 2023 general election, Atiku Abubakar, that set the course rolling between himself and former governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike, while he later joined forces with Tinubu. OKOWA, a trained medical doctor, served as a senator representing Delta North from 2011 to 2019. Before then, he served as a secretary to the state Delta State government. Currently today, is being held by the Economic and Financial Crime Commission for some of the allegations against him, on misappropriation of funds. These are some of the things going on. Okay? These are some of the things going on. And everybody now is watching and wants to see how this will go. But that are the one you know. That are the one you know. Every other person, other people, their matter full ground. Their matter full ground of the things where these people they do. Their matter full ground. Many, not be one, not be two, not be three. Okay? So it is terrible. Some of the things that this man, these people are doing, it is terrible. God help us. Terrible. Some of the things, some of the wickedness that these people have engaged themselves in or with. You will wonder, if they have human sympathy. You will wonder. You will wonder. So when you look at it, how do you see these things? Not to mention the scandal of one we see they just say they sleep with people's wife. That one another matter. That one another big matter. It is terrible. The level they can go to is terrible. Okay? it is, you can begin to see for yourself that these people, honestly, truly, sincerely speaking, not be only Tinubu na bad, just to let you know. So not be only Tinubu bad. Many of them are real bad. And it should, believe me now, I'm going to tell you so now. Bado, senior personified, Bado. Yeah? Bado. So everybody need to rise up. Everybody needs to rise up and speak against all these atrocities going on in this country. Everybody needs to rise up. Yeah? Please, we will not let all these wicked people, they be leaders again. Many of them, they don't be senators, don't be this, don't be that. Why? Ask yourself, why? What do they do with all the money? 1.something trillion, where the guy they come out for inside Delta State money. You need to ask him, what is the money do? We need to ask him because he need to test somebody. This guy go need to test somebody, what is all those plenty money do? He need to test somebody. On a more serious note, he need to test somebody, what is the money do? Because we tire, nonsense tire person. How one person? Only you. Then are the one we know. What about the one they sons and daughters accounts? Brothers and sisters, girlfriend and everything. What about the one they bury for septic pit, tank and the rest? We do not make anybody know. What about that one? We never talk of wiki no, in case you don't know. You never hear wiki matter. I'm not say take anything, I just give example. Because River State now one of the states when they get the highest, they call allocation of funds. So when you see wiki they fight, you get why, you get reason, get why. Not because we can just like to the fight person or reason they will get why you get why. We can the fight person so. You say the money with that boy won't control, so it's too much for one person, but you control him for 8 years. You see how human baby. Waiting good for the goose, they say not good for the ganders. So. You see answer. So make everybody they rise up. Maybe they talk the thing and maybe they talk and we respect. Say a word is enough. A word is enough. 1.3 trillion, only you want divert. Brother, what will we do you? Which is exactly, and that data state when you go there, now so you do for church like say, another thing deal. When you go there, nothing they happen on a mat, nothing they happen on, nothing. That's why they fight key to enter that position. Because when they get there, now siphoning level. Leave us a comment. Let's hear your thoughts. God bless you. Bye for now.